So you're one of the people that wants to leave Twitter and the hellscape it's become and move over to the good place that is Bluesky, but you also face a problem of having to move all your followers from the old place, the bad place, to the new place. So I found this new tool that can help you do just that and make the whole transition way easier. If you stick with me for a few minutes, I will show you exactly how to do this. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Twitter account and click on following. And we'll see here you've got your following numbers. Then you want to go to Google Chrome Store, and I'll put all these links in the comments below. Go to Chrome Store and go to skyfollowerbridge and add that to Chrome. It's a similar kind of thing with Firefox. So add extension, and then once you've added extension, go to Bluesky and go to your settings, and then go to app passwords. Here we go. Then add app password. Call it a name, Exodus, and then create app password. Copy app password. Once you've copied your app password, go back to Twitter and then go to extensions and find the skyfollowerbridge. Here we go. Put your username in. I'm a kobestarr. Then throw in your app password. Now it's trying to find all of the Bluesky followers. It might take a minute or two. I've got like 2,000 here. This is going to take a while, so I'm just going to play my guitar for a little bit. Okay, so that took a while now. We have 786 users, and that's a little under a third of what we had. Let's have a look. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on follow all. It gives this warning. The detection is not perfect and may include false positives. Do you still want to proceed? Yes. It's processing now. This might take a while in itself. Okay, so I've been tracking the automation as it's been happening, and you can see here it's clicking on all of the following Bluesky buttons. I'm getting towards the end here, and I'm finishing off with Questlove. What a guy! Right, that's it. So now I've followed everyone on Bluesky. As I said, only 786 users were on Bluesky that I followed. So I might come back in a month's time and see who else has come over as well and go through the same process. So I'm just going to check on my Bluesky home profile, and now I've got 822 people I'm following. Sure, let's see how many of those people follow me back. Who knows? But I definitely recommend getting on Bluesky right now because people are starting to move here, and it's that kind of blue ocean time. You can start to get a lot more traction if you're posting here than you would do even with a larger audience on Twitter. So get over here, start sharing your content that you would do on Twitter, and have fun. And hopefully we'll enjoy not being in the sphere of hell that is Elon Musk and the orange guy. I'm Kobe. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe, like, all the good stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.